Akro-Mils steel storage cabinets are the durable choice for easy access and organization of small parts. With a chip-proof, powder-coated finish, cabinets feature a 24-gauge welded steel frame for strength. Cabinets can be used alone or with mobile racks, ProCart, and storage go-round. These cabinets nest for safe, stable stacking. The drawer's transparent window and label holder allow for easy identification of stored items. Akro-Mils steel storage cabinets are available in 5 models and 5 drawer colors. A locking door model is also available.